Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be sharing with you how to invite team members into your ClickUp. Let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your ClickUp interface by providing your username and password. Once you log in into the dashboard area, you'll navigate into the bottom left location and identify the invite option. I'll click on invite users and I'll be prompted to invite different members and users to either give them access as members, where they can have access to public spaces, documents, and dashboard, or I can also grant them as the admins of the space, where they can manage spaces, people, billing, and other workspace settings. So the simplest way of adding this is by entering their email address and selecting send an invite. I can add multiple emails if I'm inviting more than one person by using a comma command at the end of any email address that I type. Remember, you don't necessarily have to add members into your ClickUp who are only into your domain. You can also select other email providers as members into your ClickUp space. Once you have typed into their email, you'll click on the send invite. Once the persons have been invited from your manage people option in your workspace, you will see that you'll have different people who you have invited and the status of each of them. For example, if you invite an individual and they haven't responded into the email that you sent them earlier, then their status will be pending on ClickUp. Remember, at this stage, I can also change the access rights of these individuals either from member, guest, and admin, depending on how I feel about them. Once they accept and log in into the email address that you have shared with them, then their status will change to showcase whether they are a member, guest, or admin into your workspace. And you can collaborate, work with them, and fully deliver your projects. Well, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, click the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.